Are returning now with our wise guy, Matt Sullen. He is here telling us physics fun for teachers, cheap and easy ways to teach this stuff in the class.
Exactly right. And so we're doing simple machines today, and one of the most useful simple machines are levers. And so I'm going to demonstrate this lever right now by just leaping up on this table.
I'm going to hop out of the way myself.
Right. And so I'm going to stand over here on this end of this lever, which is just a hunk of wood I found in my garage. And there we go. Now, if you push down on that end with your finger,
okay,
you should be able to make
just one finger.
Yep. Go ahead.
Here we go.
Woo! And you make me come up.
And I raised something very heavy here with just one finger.
Right. And the reason you could do that...
Should we do it one more time? Let's do it one more time. Whoop.
Okay, we'll do it one more time.
I mean, you hopped on the table and everything.
Okay,
here we go. Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm pretty heavy. I weigh about 165 pounds or something like that. Yet
pretty heavy.
You just use, 1 or 2 pounds of force to make me lift up. And this is this mechanical advantage thing you gain. Since we have a small motion here, I only went up about an inch. You pushed this thing down a lot farther than an inch.
Yes.
And so you didn't need to use as much force. And that's how a lever works.
Good way to show kids how to do that.
Right. Now here's a cool thing you can make real cheap at home. This is just a piece of pegboard that I cut out a little ruler-shaped thing out of. It's got all these little holes. And here you can demonstrate the same idea. Here, instead of a fulcrum on the bottom, we're hanging it from the top. And here you can show that you can hang a whole bunch of weights in close to the fulcrum. Like I can put 5 weights right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see here. 4, 5. And I can balance that, all those weights, with just a single weight.
Just a little closer to the edge.
If it's 5... If it's out there, see, so right in here, this one is in the hole labeled 1. We have 5 things here. You have 1 in the hole labeled 5. And it's like a math machine, actually, because the product of the distance times the weight is always the same on both sides. So 5 times 1 is 1 times 5. So let me real quick show you my most favorite lever, because I like tools. So a hammer, of course, is a lever for pulling out nails. So I can yank these nails out like that.
Yes.
And so here we have a long thing, a lot of motion, a short distance, big force, but it only moves the nail out a little bit.
Sure.
Here's my favorite thing of all. It's for pulling out nails that are stuck inside the wood. Okay. It's called
this tool, I've never seen one of these.
It's a little noisy. Whoops, there we go. And so this thing you actually... See that? So this has several levers with it. First you have a lever here, and then you have the lever that pulls the thing out. So there's all kinds of things around your house that use simple machines that you might not have realized.
And you can show your kids and get your kids to do the work for you.
That's right.
In that case. All right.
So next week we're going to come back, and Robert and I are going to talk about weather, probably hurricanes.
Okay, we'll look forward to that. Thank you, Matt, for being here this morning, our wise guy. And if you have a question for him, you can email us at The Morning Show.
Hey, Jen, can he build us a new table while he's at it?
I think he did not destroy this table. And Ed, if you're at home watching, because that's who built this, it's fine. Everything is good to go.
Good to go. All right, good to know. Thanks, guys. In Med Center this morning, kids from across